I'm on my way home from my day at CIMEC, and I decided to stop into another Italian factory, MWM, who have a piece of kit that I've been really interested in the last year, and I've now got a chance to see it. So it's actually a plastic welder, and Domenico will tell us all about it.
Exactly, Wayne. So we are today with our self-generating nitrogen plastic welder. So which means we don't need any types of external source of gas.
So no gas bottle on this?
Absolutely not, because the generator will be self-confident to generate the nitrogen needed by our welder.
Okay.
Made of the gun, welding gun.
So that's what,
Exactly, the stapler.
Okay, that's a good idea, yeah.
And then we just bring the basic kit of staples, plastic welding kit, the cutter, and as optional a pneumatic grinder which is needed to clean or to clean up the surface.
So that grinder just plugs into the kit?
Exactly. Just connect with the pneumatic one and let's go.
So as a lot of you know, I'm all about plastic welding properly without using a lot of staples. But as we're here with MWM, they actually make the plastic spot stapler. Domenico, tell us about your staple.
Yes, Wayne. So our plastic stapler are special. Why? Because they have this small cut on both sides of the legs, which allows them to break easily. And I will show you how with the fingers I can just break the leg by using any types of cutting or pliers.
Right, so that fits nice and flush to the panel.
Exactly.
So as I said, guys, that's not a method I like to do. I don't like to leave metal staples in there, but there are some jobs where you'll do that. So instead of having to grind down the staple, this would be quite a good way, and it sits flush underneath the panel. Nice tool, and probably a really good option. So check out for those staples. So another little kit that I've also been looking at, especially now with bumpers not actually being pre-drilled for putting in your parking sensors, is this parking sensor kit from MWM.
Yes. So we have this full kit of punches for the parking sensor, and it's quite easy to work. It's just made of two parts, the female and the male part. And Stefano will show you how to work.
Hello, Stefano.
Okay.
So you've got one part on one side.
Exactly.
And then as I bring you around, the additional side, and what happens is you just tighten it up with the spanner, and it naturally will just cut through the plastic, creating your perfect hole size. As we can see. There we go. Doesn't take long, but when you've only got a minute to record it, there we are. So that, in a minute, is how you put the holes for parking sensors in a bumper. Domenico, I can see that you don't only just do the couple of items that we've looked at, you've got quite a different range on the wall here.
Exactly, you said right, Wayne. As you can see, we have several pulling system and pulling bar, pull system, slide hammer, normal hammer, but more the machines, the PDR inverter used for pop-up dents, plastic welder,
which we've just seen.
Exactly. The aluminum spot welder.
Okay, interesting.
For aluminum repair.
Yeah.
And then the normal traditional steel spot welder, which was the first machine we made. Then we have other different types of pulling bars, and the newest introduction kit for the PDR levers by MWM for L damage. You can see different shapes for different part of the car. And then the magic glue trolley with all the glue system.
So whilst I'm at MWM, I may as well introduce you to some of the other team members. And this is Fabio, the sales director. Hi, Fabio.
Hello. Hi, Wayne. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you. So how long have you been working at this company?
It's about 5 years now, but the company has been 43 years on the car body repair market, exporting 80%, and everything in this company is manufactured in our company, so it's made in Italy.
That's great, and I'll do a little quick walk through your workshop if you don't mind, and show everyone your factory.
Of course, feel free to do it, and you have all our, how can we say, all our pleasure to have you here with us.
That's really great. Thank you for the invite. I've appreciated it, and I've enjoyed talking to Domenico and looking at your nitrogen plastic welder.
It's our job, and we are happy to have you here with us.
Excellent. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for your visit.
So I'm in the MWM factory. Everyone's gone home. It's just me and Domenico, and Fabio's still here. And I'm actually taking a walk through their factory. And it's like a big boy's dream, really. If you like metalwork, you like, just the big machinery, the noises. You can hear the compressor in the background there. this is the place. You know, as soon as you walk in, I don't know, it's just something about that sort of industrial manufacturing feeling that you get from here. So, you know, you can see the big presses and where they're sort of churning out the frameworks for the machinery. It's just all here. And that's the thing with Italy, is they're still manufacturing, they're still making, and just the different trolleys there. And that's something that I've really come to love about this week in visiting it. So really appreciative to MWM for inviting me around. And I hope you've liked some of the content that I've shared.